can't really see what's going on. But normally I'll assembly line it. However, for this one, I'm just gonna make up one. So it's for our event tomorrow. And let's see. Well, we're gonna do it in real time, so I'm gonna see how long this takes.
Can you adjust your mic, please? We can't hear you in the back.
Do we have any questions, audience questions?
What are you putting in now?
This is leather leaf. Ugh. How do you say it? Leather leaf fern. Wait, get our beautiful team.
I'm halfway good too.
So I think on IGTV you can only have something that's 10 minutes long. So I'm gonna tell me when this is at like 8 minutes.
Oh, great.
Where am I at?
We are at 1 minute.
Okay. So if you guys take longer than 10 minutes to make this, I'm kidding. That's too short. Okay, so let's talk about what?
The arrangement brought forward, please.
I can't see it.
Sensei?
So we're eating
We're eating some what?
some chicken Caesar wraps. We're in West Hollywood.
What are you putting in now?
This is seeded eucalyptus. I also bought silver dollar eucalyptus, but it has so much greenery that I think that's good. Okay, so I'm not using chicken wire or tape or anything like that or foam. I'm just doing it loose because it's rustic. Come on, let's go. Let's go. These are, we have Majolica roses, so they came packaged like that and they opened that big already. Still be fall dahlias, you can go like that. And then I think I bought Vendela, and what's that one? Pink Mondio. How do you say it? Mondola. So, of course I don't have a recipe, and I have 9, and I bought 6 bunches. 6 times 25 is 150. If I want to save 100, then that's 50
Practice
divided
your
by
math,
9
kids.
is 5. So each one gets 5. Did you see that? That was good.
That was good.
That's how I do the bit. So we'll
that gave
do,
you mental math anxiety.
I know, I was like, carry the one. I only know basic algebra, but that's okay. So I'm gonna do 3 of these, because we're gonna add in roses today too. And we'll do 2 of these, and I will do maybe 1, because I'm gonna put 3 and let's do 2. What time am I at?
We're at 3 minutes now.
At 3? All right, you guys.
Your tutorial's taking up all your design time.
Okay. Oh, and these dahlias. Why did I only buy, how many bunches is that? That's weird. Why did I buy that? Oh, that's Gracie. We'll take 1. Okay. Here's my little love, Gracie May. Gracie May, come here. Here she comes. So cute. Okay, Jay. So, Jami, J-Rep. Flower journal. Oh, you know, I was thinking about the other day. What? Okay. How when you first sent me an email and applied, I thought it was so weird that you were like, and my Instagram hashtag for my work is JRab Flower Journal. I was like, what the fuck is this girl talking about? She's like, JRab Flower Journal, you can see my work. I'm like, or you could send me photos, you psycho, of your work instead of looking on your hashtag. Like, kids, not how to apply to me. And I thought you were such a nut, and you are. Okay, I'm gonna pluck up. What?
We love her.
Sorry.
Can you tell me what? I'm gonna make this very rustic because it's all going on the table.
4:45.
Huh?
4:45.
Okay. I've only had 20 coffees today, and a banana. I really hate when one sticks up.
So for all of you that are trying to practice a healthy diet out there.
No, I'm kidding.
Now the spray roses.
Okay, so this is the spray roses, so I just cut them into multiple ones. Like, no one that works for me has ever seen me make an arrangement, so they're all watching, I think, pretty amazed kind of angle. Right?
Yes.
They're like, this is a first. I don't really pay attention at all to what I'm doing design-wise, and that's just because it's rustic, so it doesn't matter. It's gonna all look good. Sometimes I'll put the flowers lower and one higher. This is when I wanted my my TV show, like Iron Chef flowers. I'm taking out that greenery. What time is it?
5:50.
Okay, so I'm got the height from there. The design rules have changed over the years. It used to be like it shouldn't be more than double, but I'm gonna try closer to the roses. And then since I'm using only one dahlia and one Astilbe, I'm gonna just kind of keep it like that. Give it a little turn. I would normally use a rose stripper, but I didn't know I was gonna be filming this, so it's fine. You can go like that if you want.
It's okay, you roll with the punches.
Someone wrote on my photo, and if you're watching this, I thought it was super weird. They wrote, "Your germs are gonna get in the flower." I was like, "Fuck you!" Another one. Like, who cares? What do you mean germs are gonna get in the flower? That's weird, right? Right? No one's agreeing. Don't you think that's weird?
What?
If I'm blowing in the flower.
Well, I heard something else.
What?
I heard that when you blow into the flower, that all those pesticides and everything that they put on the flowers go and
Blow on
use
you.
those.
So joke's on you? Is that right?
Yeah, yeah.
That's what I heard.
Look how pretty. That's a beauty.
Wow, so weird.
Bofi.
Well,
7 minutes.
okay. So we're gonna just make 9 of these. I guess if you follow, I don't even know what I look like.
Oh, you look
I
like
think I put on eyebrows.
You look like-
My eyebrows look
No, they look
okay.
good.
the female version of Panama Jack. No one laughed.
I don't even know what's Panama Jack.
Okay, messy.
Pesticides.
A Midwest joke.
Gems.
She breaks out in her face like Hitch. Like she turns around, her half her face is swollen shut.
I'm gonna add in. This is my moneymaker, so
Ah.
deal with that. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the rest of these and then put the leftover flowers in because this is a little sparse for me. Although we were going like that, I'm just not used to. I like it like full of flowers, not just greenery. But who am I? Who am I to judge? It's so funny because like 1-800 Flowers used to only use, remember like this, and now it's trendy. It's so weird.